Welcome to Ebas Gallery. As far as we can tell, Toyota wants you to think of its Sienna as the Jay-Z of minivans. Like HOV on the song Otis, Toyota claims the Sienna has its swagger back, the same swagger it was claimed to have in the somewhat grown-worthy Swagger Wagon ad campaign from several years ago. The makeover actually started last year, when the Sienna's 266 HP V6 engine and 6-speed automatic transmission were binned in favor of a new 296 HP 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic. The combination helped raise the front-wheel drive Sienna's fuel economy by 1 mpg in the city and 2 mpg on the highway to 1927 mpg, while the all-wheel drive model saw increases of 2 mpg city and 1 mpg highway to 1824 mpg. With 30 extra ponies and 2 more gears, the Sienna's acceleration, unsurprisingly, improved as well. We saw the trot to 60 mph fall by 0.3 second, to 7.0 seconds flat. Despite these noteworthy mechanical changes, though, the 2017 Sienna looked no different from its 2016 counterpart. For 2018, Toyota has fitted a new nose that brings its preeminent people movers styling more in line with the rest of the brand's lineup. Noticeable changes include larger and reshaped grille openings. All Sienna models now get the flared side sills that were previously reserved for the sportier SE variant. More important, though, is the addition of a host of new safety and technology features. Every Sienna now comes standard with automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, a lane departure warning system that can automatically steer the van back into its lane, and automatic high-beam headlights. Additionally, all 2018 Siennas come equipped with Toyota's latest Entune 3.0 multimedia interface and Toyota's App Suite Connect, which offers an app-based navigation system. Entune is available in 3 grades, the lowest level of which is limited to the base Sienna L. Moving up to the LE, SE, and XLE trims brings Entune 3.0 Audio Plus to the table, which adds Wi-Fi connectivity that allows up to 5 devices to be connected to the van's 4G LTE network. Finally, Entune 3.0 Premium comes standard on the top of the line Limited, and is available on the SE and XLE, bringing an upgraded stereo and an in-dash navigation system that can continuously update its map to account for the latest geographical changes and route information. Other small updates to the Sienna include an available surround view monitor on limited models equipped with the premium package and a rear seat entertainment system now capable of streaming video from Android devices. Toyota wasn't ready at publication time to talk about the van's on-sale date or price, but we expect the updated van to strut into showrooms close to the end of the year with only a small bump in MSRP. Frankly, we're not sure if the Sienna ever had swagger in the first place, but with heavy competition from the Chrysler Pacifica and an all-new Honda Odyssey on the horizon, the Sienna's revised looks and added tech should give Toyota's older contender a better chance against newer competitors.